So my daughter here got in a fight today with the pavement. She bailed on her bike.
Yep.
Yeah, so what happened?
Scuffed my elbow.
A nasty scuff, abrasion. The kids ran up, they were all worried, freaking out. I went out to see, and no bones broken this time. But this nasty abrasion, those hurt, you know, when you slide your hands and stuff. So what do we do as a family who's natural options? We made up our own really quick boo-boo spray or skin healing spray. And if I was a really good mom, I might have this already made up, but I use this little spray bottle. And let me tell you the oils that I choose to use in this type of spray, because it might be helpful for you if you're an oil person and you want to keep something on hand in your first aid kit. First, I used Copaiba. I did 2 drops of each of these. This is an oil that I love for wound regeneration and healing. Lavender is another skin supporting healing oil. We used tea tree. This is our anti-everything. So this we use to clean the area and the wound, to limit what might grow in there. And the last one, my most favorite skin healer, is Helichrysum. Okay, and Helichrysum now comes in a touch, but we call this liquid stitches. I've been using it consistently, the touch roller, after I had my car collision and suffered from a concussion. But I put 2 drops of each of those in this cute little spray bottle, and then I filled the rest up with fractionated coconut oil. So that's like a typical boo-boo recipe. If you had a young child or a baby or a toddler, I guess, you could just simply use 1 drop of lavender in there, 1 drop of Helichrysum. That would be an excellent solution. So how did it feel? It kind of stung at first, right?
Yep.
Yep, because those are raw nerve endings from the skin, and we expect quicker recovery this way. So we wanted to share that skin healing recipe with you. If you have active kids and they get cuts and scrapes and bruises and all of that, that's something we use as a natural living family, right?
Yep.
Yep. All right.